Today we're going to cover a pivotal topic, keeping a business cash reserve, so your business will be prepared for those unforeseen circumstances. Hey, my name is Morgan Law from FindPoints.biz, and my goal is to better help bookkeepers and business owners manage their finances. And I actually have a whole YouTube channel dedicated to that. Today I'm partnering with QuickBooks on a video series to help business owners better manage their businesses. Most business owners know that everything doesn't always go according to plan. It might be smooth sailing, and then all of a sudden, bam, an unexpected tidal wave comes along. That's where cash reserves come in. They can be a life raft that small business owners can cling to when unexpected expenses threaten to sink you. If you find this video helpful today, make sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to QuickBooks YouTube channel down below. And if you're more of a reader, there's also going to be an article linked in the description box. Cash reserves are a business's emergency fund. So they should be funds that are put away intentionally and also that are going to be immediately available should you need them. A cash reserve account doesn't need to be only cash. Short-term liquid investments that can quickly be converted to cash can also be part of your cash reserves. Cash reserves are important because they provide cash flow should your expenses go up or if your revenue drops. It'll also save you from having to go into credit card debt or having to take out a loan. Although a business might seem stable and predictable, an unexpected event can really turn things sideways. Many business owners actually have to use personal funds to stay afloat during a rough patch. But if you have that cash reserve, that is going to help you avoid that problem. Generally, it's a good idea to keep as much cash on hand as you need to cover 3 to 6 months worth of business expenses. But this isn't a one-size-fits-all for every business. So consider the following things when you're deciding how much cash to keep on hand. How much cash does your business use? At minimum, you want to be able to cover operating expenses for the amount of time that you plan for. So take a look at your statement of cash flows and some other expenses to see how much you spend monthly. If a business stops bringing money in, your emergency fund needs to be able to cover expenses until the income starts up again. How much cash will your business need for the future? Your cash reserves should be able to sustain your business if something happens, not just for tomorrow, but for next year and the year after. And if your business is growing, think about future expenses that you might incur. Keep in mind that growing businesses may need more cash on hand, so think about what expenses you're going to need in the future. What sources of cash are available to your business? With your cash reserves, you don't need to just think about it as digits in a bank account. How are other ways that you could secure some money? Maybe if you have some investments that are liquid, you can convert that to cash and then add that into your emergency fund. Now let's talk through a few strategies to build your cash reserves. Number 1, set monthly savings goals. So it can be really overwhelming to think about a big chunk of money that you need to save up. But don't worry, you don't have to do it overnight. Think about smaller monthly savings goals. One option is to set aside a certain percentage of your profits each month, or you can just choose a set amount that you want to save every month. Breaking it down into smaller goals like this is going to be far less intimidating. Number 2, treat cash reserves as non-negotiable. Just like other expenses, cash reserves need to be built into your business budget. Until the emergency fund is stocked with enough cash, it should be treated as a fixed expense. This will keep you accountable for actually filling it up. I personally love the automatic transfer system that many banks have. You can set an amount for it to transfer into savings each month. Number 3, create guidelines for tapping into your cash reserve. It's not enough just to build your cash reserve, you need to maintain it. It needs to exist only for emergencies and unexpected expenses. Create guidelines for when you can and can't access it. This will make sure it's truly a rainy day fund and not just a glorified expense account. We all know the sentiment about saving for a rainy day, but unfortunately, weather forecasts aren't always accurate. Sometimes you can be caught in a downpour even when you're expecting nothing but sunshine. In those cases, you'll be so glad that you built some solid cash reserves. Thank you so much for watching today. I would love it if you give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to QuickBooks YouTube channel for more videos just like this. I hope that your skies are sunny today.